How to convert BTC to USDT on BitGet. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can convert the BTC to USDT on BitGet easily. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to convert the BTC to USDT, simply open up the BitGet app on your device. After opening up, you will be able to see this home screen. So you just need to tap on the top left corner. You see a square box there. Just tap on it. After that, you will be able to see convert button here. Just tap on convert button. You can see it here. Just tap it there and you can see the convert. So since we're gonna convert it from BTC to USDT, what you need to do is tap on the first box drop down, and here you need to just tap on BTC. Whereas to convert it, just tap on the second box, and here you just need to tap on USDT. After that, enter the balance in BTC and it will be converted into the equivalent balance of USDT. So therefore, by following this method, you can convert BTC to USDT on BitGet very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.